This week I'm testing the brand new Volkswagen Touareg. It's a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Touareg there are ISOFIX in the 2 outer seats. They are within plastic guides and lovely and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 backrests and easily accessible through the boot. Now I managed to get 3 child seats in the back here, which is fantastic. I could get 3 forward facing or rear facing, so that's really good. And we could fit a 180cm passenger in the driver's seat. In the back of the Touareg, storage is good. There are 2 mat pockets on the back of the front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. In the back of the central console is a little well for your phone, and then a fold out with 2 USBs and a 12-volt socket. There's a fold down in the central seat back that has 2 cup holders that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and the door bins will hold a large refillable water bottle. Storage in the front of the Touareg is good as well. There are 2 cup holders in the central console that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them there's also a little hole for a baby chino holder. And the central console storage box is a good size in here, and it's all felt lined, which is really good. In front of the cup holders is a phone charging well, and you've got USB and 12-volt sockets in there too. The glove box will only hold my wallet, it won't hold the iPad and the manual, and there is a little net on the side of the central console for the manual there. Now there's no glasses case in the ceiling, but there is a little drawer down by the driver's right knee, which is lined too. The door bins are a good size in here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle. The boot door of the Touareg opens nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 15 shopping bags, or the Duet twin stroller and 5 shopping bags, or the Flex tandem stroller and 8 shopping bags, the Urban Jungle single stroller and 7 shopping bags, or the Nano compact stroller and 10 shopping bags, or a large dog. The Touareg is a lovely car to drive. It's very smooth and it feels robust and sturdy on the road, which is really good. There's no manual aircon controls though, only within the media screen, and I find those a little bit difficult to use whilst driving. Also, the doors rarely shut first time, and there's always the warning on the screen to tell me they need to be closed. The media system in the Volkswagen Touareg is really easy to use and to navigate. It does have a swipe system with the screen where you can move your hand in front of it to move across it, and it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear, and you can change the angle too, and you can turn it all off with the button on the screen as well. There are built-in window blinds in the back of both rear windows in the Touareg, which is fantastic. So to sum up with the Volkswagen Touareg, it is a fantastic 5-seat SUV. Really good boot space, media system is great, 3 child seats, and it is full of family-friendly features. Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.